Merlin AI Review. Is this AI assistant legit? So Merlin AI is a multimodal AI assistant primarily available as a Chrome extension and mobile web app. It integrates powerful large language models like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and more into one interface, offering tools like summarization, code, help, email drafting, web browsing assistance, and even image generations. So think of it as a Swiss Army knife for AI tasks right at your fingertips. So what it offers is an all-in-one model access, a generous free tier, browser integration and workflow efficiency. It also has platform flexibility, which works on Android, iOS, desktop, and browsers. It also has a broad feature set, which has the capabilities including summarizing articles, extracting YouTube highlights, drafting emails, or LinkedIn content, explaining codes, generating images, and large language translations. So it also comes with positive feedbacks. The only problem is they have limited accuracy and occasional hallucinations. They also have query caps and the credit usage. They also have support and customization gaps. And it's not always reliable across websites. So according to the community, they have some technical issues and although it has some great access, it still doesn't work smoothly sometimes. So in conclusion, Merlin AI is legit in 2025 and it's a solid, legitimate, and widely used AI assistant that combines multiple AI engines.